What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video. And in this one, man, I want to talk to y'all about some new wholesaling regulation that's been going on throughout the nation, guys. Different states, California, Nebraska, Texas, multiple states around the nation have had some new recent wholesaling regulation updates, okay? We're not gonna waste much time in this video. We're gonna get in and out on this one. Let me know also if y'all like this short form content. I've been making a lot more short form content. Let me know, do y'all prefer like longer videos or do y'all prefer more shorter, straight to the point, more condensed type videos? Drop me a comment down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get into it.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, so first off, I want to say shout out to Jerry Norton, man. If y'all don't follow Jerry Norton's channel, make sure that y'all head over there and subscribe right away. I'll have a link below this video, most likely with the link to his channel. But Jerry Norton has kind of been like the on the forefront of actually keeping the wholesaling community updated on what's been going on with these different wholesaling laws throughout America.
My nigga.
So long story short, guys, there's a few different things going on. So first off, in California, there's some legislation that's being put in place recently that's trying to put a 25% tax on flippers in the area.
Bullshit.
Basically, if you want to flip a house in California, they're trying to tax like 25%, y'all. And then you may have to wait like longer periods of time. I think like 3 years before you can even sell the property. And then there was another bill that they recently passed. The other one is just legislation right now, but it's another one that they recently passed that also gives the state of California basically the first right of refusal and I think like foreclosure situations. So it's just crazy. It's just like they're trying to take a lot of power, so man, people out there in California, man, hey, I'm praying for y'all. The state of Texas recently sent out a survey to different people in the real estate space asking them about their experience working with wholesalers. So depending on the outcome of that survey, it could, come with legislation potentially. Like, so if it's a lot of negative stuff, if you see a lot of negativity in terms of this survey, then, it could end up being really, really negative, and they could end up putting in legislation in place to try to stop wholesalers from being able to do what we do out here, guys. So make sure that y'all actually paying attention to the legislation. So that's a whole nother thing, y'all. Texas, it's getting crazy out here, guys. Some of y'all may be thinking like, look, is it still a good time to get into the wholesaling space then? And I would still say yes. But however, I do think that it's going to be important that we try to come together. And I do recommend that you all head over to nrewa.org and pledge your support. Just put in your email address and you all will get updates when new things do happen across the nation, so we can actually try to prevent some of this legislation from taking place on us, okay? Lastly, guys, in Nebraska, and this is looking like it's actually gonna pass, proposed legislation, but it looks like it's gonna pass. And Nebraska, they're actually doing something similar to Illinois, where they're trying to require wholesalers to actually go out there and get a real estate license, okay? So man, there's a lot of new updates going on. The Nebraska situation, I think it's already kind of been through the legislation process. I think they're just waiting to actually turn it into a bill. I'm gonna have all of the links to all of Jerry Norton's videos where he was really, really kind of deep diving and breaking down these different situations down below. Shout out to Jerry Norton once again, man. More and more states, is basically inevitable at this point, are going to start implementing legislation to try to restrict or limit or completely prohibit wholesalers from being able to wholesale in their states. Obviously, there's bad apples in every bunch or whatever. So the bad among us are making us look bad right now. And it's just something that we got to deal with as wholesalers. I recommend, if you aren't already, consider becoming a licensed agent. I am a licensed agent in Illinois. That's why I'm originally from Chicago. And then they created a law there saying that we had to become licensed agents to continue to wholesale. So I just became a licensed agent.
It doesn't matter how you feel.
Like, we got to go with the flow. Don't see this video and be like, oh my God, I should just give up. Oh, woe is me. Or, you know, oh, they're always doing something to us. I say, don't even have that energy, y'all. Like, for real. Let's roll with the punches, do what we have to do, and really, really try to come together. I think that that's the smartest thing that we can do. But let's not go out like victims. Let's not talk about it like we're victims. It's going to be okay, all right? We got this. We can get out there. We can keep rocking and rolling. There's going to be some things that we're going to have to adapt to and adjust to, but that's fine. We're going to make it happen still, guys. We're going to keep getting out here, keep getting these deals. Nothing's going to stop us from continuing to run our real estate investing businesses, guys. And it's not just wholesaling. We still do subject to deals, creative deals, double closes, working with transactional lenders. There's a ton of different ways to keep getting out here and getting these deals regardless of the laws that they try to implement to try to stop us or slow us down. So guys, I hope that y'all feeling healthy and feeling blessed, man. As always, you know, I try to come with some nuggets, man. Let y'all know what's going on out here. You know, make sure that y'all hit that like button for me if y'all appreciate the content, if I'm putting out some gems for y'all. And then also, if y'all want to check out more videos like this, more wholesaling news videos, where I'm letting y'all know what's going on out here in the wholesaling space, make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel for one, but also check out the playlist that I have on my channel. Make sure that you check out this video, this playlist right here. And until next time, guys, we are Hope.